Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for eco-friendly home products business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can create your website from here. You can see templates, free trial, and with no credit. Here you can choose the topic of your business and the type. So eco-friendly isn't here. Eco-friendly home product isn't here. So for example, the type might be an online store, of course, and the topic you can build your own templates from here. So let's get started. Now let's go. So here you can type your business name, type any name you want for eco-friendly home products business, and here you're gonna build your home page section by section, adding as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your website attractive to attract more people. So now let's move on. All the sections must be attractive: the services section and the product section, the about section, and the forms section, and the footer section. So let's continue. You can add pages here to your site, and here you can choose the color palette. So I'm gonna choose this, and the font here, you can choose any font match with your business as you like. For example, this. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website, add a description about your website, or if you want to skip. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your home page right now. So if you want to edit, you can click here and edit it. So here you can customize your website. So the first text here, you have to delete, you have to change this text. So for example, welcome to our, you can add any text here to attract to make your text attractive. Welcome to our site uh, for eco-friendly home products. That's it. And the text on this label also, you can change it. You can type anything here, shop now or order now, as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the background. So the background, you can choose just a simple art, or if you want to add image. So for example, I'm gonna add image. So let's select from library. To select here on eco-friendly home products. So I'm gonna choose one of these here. For example, I'm gonna choose this. That's it. Now let's move on to the site header. So first you're gonna change your site title here. You can change it if you don't like it. Here you can upload your logo as you can upload a file or select from the library, and also you can add the mobile logo image. Now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on and change this label on this button, the text on this label. Also you can change the social icon size. You can turn this on, the language switch. That's it. You can change the styles. So this is the global. Let's move on now to the desktop. So here you can change the header layout, for example, like this. And the width, the vertical padding, and the element spacing, and the link spacing. So that's it. If you want to add something on your home page, just click here. You can add what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. You can add events or services or portfolios, testimonials, images or videos as you like. So anything to make your product, your website looks attractive. So that's it. Here you can move the sections. You can move it down or move it up. You can save it from this heart icon. Just click on it, and you can duplicate it from here. You can change the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this. If you want to add something on your section, just click here and you can select text or button or video or image or audio or line or map as you like. Anything you want to add on your home page, you can add it. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna continue on the second part of this business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the second part of this business of this video. So that's it.